In today's digital age, the concept of flipping digital products has emerged as a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs and online enthusiasts. Digital product flipping involves acquiring digital assets such as websites, apps, or online courses at a lower price and selling them at a higher price to make a profit. This practice has gained popularity due to its potential for generating substantial income in a relatively short period. One of the key factors that have revolutionized the digital product flipping industry is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, tools. These advanced technologies have significantly streamlined the process of identifying profitable digital assets, analyzing market trends, and optimizing sales strategies. By leveraging AI algorithms, flippers can make data-driven decisions that enhance their chances of success and maximize their profits. To illustrate the effectiveness of using AI in digital product flipping, we will delve into a real-life case study of a successful flipper who achieved remarkable results within just 30 days. This case study will showcase how the individual utilized AI tools to identify undervalued digital assets, implement targeted marketing campaigns, and ultimately sell the products at a premium price. By following their journey, you will gain valuable insights into the power of AI in transforming the digital product flipping landscape and unlocking new opportunities for financial growth. Be sure and subscribe to the channel for more strategies you can put into action. Step 1. Research profitable digital products to flip. When embarking on the journey of flipping digital products, the first crucial step is to conduct thorough research to identify profitable opportunities. Leveraging AI tools can significantly enhance this process by providing valuable insights into trending digital products with high demand. These advanced technologies can analyze market data, consumer behavior, and industry trends to pinpoint lucrative opportunities that have the potential for substantial profits. In your research, it is essential to consider various factors such as market saturation, competition, and potential profit margins. By evaluating these aspects, you can assess the viability of flipping a particular digital product and determine whether it aligns with your financial goals. Choosing products with lower competition and higher profit margins can increase your chances of success and maximize your returns. Furthermore, it is crucial to focus on digital products that align with current market trends and consumer preferences. By staying attuned to the evolving needs and preferences of your target audience, you can identify products that are in high demand and have the potential to generate significant interest. This strategic approach will not only increase the likelihood of a successful flip but also ensure that your efforts are aligned with market dynamics and consumer behavior. Step 2. Acquire digital products for flipping. Once you have identified profitable digital products to flip, the next step is to acquire these assets through strategic sourcing and negotiation. It is essential to source products from reputable platforms or marketplaces that offer a wide selection of digital assets and ensure a secure transaction process. By choosing trusted platforms, you can access a diverse range of products and minimize the risk of purchasing low-quality or fraudulent assets. Before finalizing any purchase, it is crucial to verify the authenticity and quality of the digital products to ensure that they meet your standards and align with your flipping strategy. Conducting thorough due diligence, such as reviewing product descriptions, examining user reviews, and assessing the seller's reputation, can help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. In addition, negotiating prices or looking for deals can be instrumental in maximizing your profit margins when acquiring digital products for flipping. By engaging in strategic negotiations with sellers or exploring discounted offers, you can secure favorable pricing terms that enhance your potential for profitability. Keeping a keen eye on opportunities to save costs and increase your margins will contribute to the overall success of your flipping endeavors. Enjoying this How to Blueprint video? Be sure and watch this video until the end for our recommended authority in digital products for you to flip. Step 3. Optimize digital products for resale. After acquiring digital products for flipping, the next crucial step is to optimize these assets for resale by enhancing their appeal and visibility in the market. Leveraging AI tools can play a pivotal role in this process by providing valuable insights and recommendations to optimize product listings and attract potential buyers. Utilize AI tools to analyze market data and identify key trends that can inform your product optimization strategy. By understanding market dynamics and consumer preferences, you can tailor your product listings to align with current demand and maximize their appeal to prospective buyers. AI algorithms can offer valuable suggestions on product descriptions, images, and pricing to enhance the overall presentation and attract more attention from potential customers. Enhancing product descriptions, images, and pricing based on AI recommendations can significantly improve the perceived value of your digital products and increase their chances of a successful resale. By incorporating AI-driven insights into your optimization efforts, you can fine-tune various aspects of your listings to better meet the needs and expectations of your target audience. Furthermore, implementing SEO strategies is essential to increase the visibility of your digital products and attract a larger pool of potential buyers. By optimizing product listings with relevant keywords, tags, and metadata, you can improve their search engine rankings and drive more organic traffic to your listings. This strategic approach will enhance the discoverability of your products and increase your chances of a successful resale in the competitive digital marketplace. Step 4. Promote digital products effectively. Promoting digital products effectively is essential to maximize their visibility and attract potential buyers. By leveraging a combination of social media platforms, digital marketing tools, and strategic partnerships, you can create a compelling marketing strategy that drives engagement and boosts sales. Utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience and showcase your digital products to potential buyers. These platforms offer powerful tools for targeted advertising, audience segmentation, and engagement tracking, allowing you to tailor your promotional efforts to specific demographics and interests. By creating engaging content that highlights the value and benefits of your digital products, you can capture the attention of your target audience and drive interest in your offerings. In addition to social media marketing, consider collaborating with influencers or affiliates who can help amplify your product visibility and reach a broader audience. Influencers with a strong online presence and engaged following can endorse your digital products to their followers, increasing brand awareness and driving traffic to your listings. Similarly, partnering with affiliates who promote your products in exchange for a commission can expand your reach and generate more sales opportunities. By combining social media promotion, engaging content creation, and strategic partnerships, you can effectively promote your digital products and maximize their exposure in the competitive online marketplace. Implementing a comprehensive marketing strategy will not only increase brand visibility but also drive sales and revenue growth for your flipping endeavors. Step 5. Monitor and adjust flipping strategies. Monitoring and adjusting your flipping strategies is crucial for maintaining success and adapting to changing market dynamics. By leveraging AI analytics to track sales performance, customer feedback, and market trends, you can gain valuable insights that inform strategic adjustments and optimization of your flipping endeavors. Utilize AI analytics tools to track key performance indicators such as sales metrics, customer engagement, and product performance. By analyzing this data, you can identify patterns, trends, and areas for improvement that guide your decision-making process. Monitoring sales performance and customer feedback allows you to understand buyer behavior, preferences, and satisfaction levels, enabling you to make informed adjustments to your flipping strategies. Identifying trends in the market and adjusting pricing or marketing strategies accordingly is essential for staying competitive and maximizing profitability. By staying attuned to market fluctuations, consumer demands, and competitor activities, you can proactively adapt your pricing and promotional tactics to capitalize on emerging opportunities and mitigate risks. Adjusting your strategies in response to market trends ensures that your flipping endeavors remain relevant and effective in meeting the evolving needs of your target audience. Continuously optimizing the flipping process based on data-driven insights is key to long-term success in the digital product flipping industry. By incorporating feedback, analyzing performance metrics, and refining your strategies, you can enhance the efficiency, profitability, and sustainability of your flipping operations. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement and adaptation will position you for success in the dynamic and competitive landscape of digital product flipping. Step 6. Scale up successful flipping ventures. Scaling up successful flipping ventures involves expanding your operations, increasing profitability, and sustaining long-term growth. By identifying top-performing products, replicating successful strategies, and leveraging AI recommendations, you can strategically grow your flipping business and capitalize on new opportunities in the digital marketplace. Identify top-performing products that have consistently generated high returns and positive feedback from customers. By analyzing sales data, customer reviews, and market trends, you can pinpoint the products that have been most successful and replicate the strategies that led to their profitability. Scaling up these successful ventures involves optimizing your processes, increasing production capacity, and maximizing the impact of your top-performing products. Expand your product range or target new markets based on AI recommendations and market insights. AI tools can provide valuable suggestions for diversifying your product offerings, entering new market segments, and reaching untapped customer demographics. By leveraging AI-driven recommendations, you can identify growth opportunities, expand your customer base, and increase your revenue streams. Invest profits back into the business to fuel growth and sustainability. Reinvesting your earnings into expanding your operations, improving your infrastructure, and enhancing your marketing efforts can accelerate the growth of your flipping ventures. By allocating resources strategically and reinvesting in areas that drive value and innovation, you can position your business for long-term success and sustainability in the competitive digital product flipping landscape. In conclusion, leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, tools is essential for achieving success in the digital product flipping industry. By utilizing AI analytics, market insights, and optimization strategies, flippers can enhance their decision-making process, streamline operations, and maximize profitability. The key points discussed in this video highlight the importance of leveraging AI technology to identify profitable opportunities, optimize product listings, and scale up successful ventures in the digital marketplace. We encourage viewers to apply the strategies learned in this video and embark on their flipping journey with confidence. By following the steps outlined, conducting thorough research, acquiring quality products, optimizing listings, promoting effectively, and monitoring performance, you can build a successful flipping business that generates sustainable income and growth. Click on the links in the description below to get started promoting high-quality digital product. To stay updated on the latest tips, strategies, and case studies in the digital product flipping industry, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from this valuable content. Your engagement and support are essential in helping us create more informative and insightful videos to empower aspiring flippers and entrepreneurs in their quest for success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you thrive in your digital product flipping endeavors. Happy flipping!